Oppo has confirmed that the Find N6 foldable smartphone will debut in China on March 17. Oppo says the Oppo Find N6 has been designed with a new engineering approach that combines a titanium alloy hinge with a special memory glass layer. The Find N6 will come in golden orange, original titanium, and deep black. The new model seems to feature a quad camera setup. The LED flash is positioned outside the camera module. The Hasselblad partnership also appears to be continuing with this model. The Find N6 will be the world's first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 foldable, offer up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. While the device is said to be thinner and lighter than before, the Find N6 may feature a 6.62-inch external display with a 1.5K plus resolution, refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The foldable screen may measure 8.12 inches with a sharper 2K plus resolution and 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The Find N6 may include a 200MP ISOCELL HP5 primary camera, a 50MP ISOCELL JN5 telephoto lens, and a 50MP ISOCELL JN5 ultrawide lens. 20MP selfie cameras on the outer and inner screens. It is tipped to pack a 6000 mAh battery, 80W SuperVOOC wired, 50W AirVOOC wireless. Upcoming foldable is expected to carry forward Oppo's focus on slim design, display quality, improved photography experience, and rugged durability. Price tag of 8,999 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.